classical song, and we study it. In fact, we study it quite deeply. And we figure out all the different parts of it, and we show it to you. We show you our interpretation through dance, or through movement, as you want to call it. This song is called The Typewriter. It's composed by Leroy Anderson, and it's quite a fun song. Here is our take on Typewriter.